So there's been some questions about honey. What's the difference between the raw honey that we've always sold, the raw wildflower, the raw clover, the raw wildflower organic, and all of those, and the unheated, the new unheated wildflower, mesquite, and clover honeys that we're doing? And the difference is raw honeys for Azure are really raw. The legal definition is 140 degrees and below. Azure's raw honey never goes over 105 degrees, but it does get extracted like into drums or totes, and we have to reheat that to get it put into the jar. It gets up to 105, maybe 106 on the edges, and some of the enzymes, the annulase particularly, is damaged a little bit, and so the way that it sugars is slightly different. So the unheated honey, which we have in the clover, the wildflower, and the mesquite, absolutely has never been heated in any way, shape, or form. It is going straight from the frame, the honey frame that comes from the beehive. It's extracted and run straight into our jars. We get these beekeepers that extract to put it straight into our jars. So it's never been in a tote, a barrel, plastic, anything. It's from the honeycomb straight to our jars. And it does, in fact, have every enzyme that could possibly be in honey. And it is completely sugars the natural way that the flower would have it. And it's really, it's really cool. It sugars, the wildflower sugars a little bit harder than the clover, and the mesquite is really a beautiful creamy honey. It's the coolest stuff. But that's what the difference is between those honeys. And remember, if you're buying honey, raw honey from Azure, we're not going up anywhere close to the legal definition. We're keeping it as raw as we possibly can, always.